Hello again, everybody. Welcome back. We'll start working on today's puzzle. Looks like today we're on number 40. Again, if you would like to solve along with me, there's a link down in the description, or you can just find the book on Amazon. If you do make a purchase, I do get a small commission. All right, where do we want to start today? Let's look at this box. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 5, and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 or 5. We've got an 8 here and a 5 there. So that makes this our 1, 5, 8. If we do this column, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 there. So 6 or 9. No help here. 1, 6, 9. We've got a 1 here and here, but I don't see any other help. So 6 or 9. So that means this is the only place our 1 can be. All right, if we work on this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6 or 8. No help here. 4, 6, 8. We got a 4 and a 6 there. So that makes this our 8, this our 6, and this our 4. And that 6 makes this our 9 and our 6. So for this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 5 or 9, 5 or 9. This box looks like we're missing 3 and 8, but we've got a 3 here. So 8 and 3. If we work on this row here, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, and 7. We have a 5 there. So 2, 7. No help here. 2, 5, 7. And a 2 here. So 5, 7. This row looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 1 there. So this is our 2. And this has to be our 1. And this is our 4. Do this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering this box and a 5, so this has to be our 8, and because of that 7, this has to be our 5, and our 7 goes here. For this box now, looks like we're missing 2 and a 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. Finish out this row, we're just missing a 9. Oh, and this 7 here means this is our 2. And then we can get rid of that. For this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 there. So 5 and 6. This column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 here. So 3, 6. And I believe this is also going to just be 5 and 9. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing, oh, we've got our 9 here. So this makes this our 5, 9, 5. So back to this row, we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. This 5 makes this a 7. And 5. So for this box, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3 or 9. 3 here, so 7, 9. And a 7 here, so 3 and 9. So that means our 7 has to be here. If we do this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. And 8 here, so 6, 8. That 9 means this is our 3. There's our 9. So to finish this off, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9, so this is our 3. We've got 1 there, so 9, and a 9 there. That's our 1. All right, that was today's puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really does help the channel out. And I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.